Hi MASH users, my name is Elizabeth Bain and I'm a graduate student from the Yinga Research Group. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the MASH list and results view, sequence table, ion finder, and data reporting functions in the MASH Explorer software. These tools are essential for the protein characterization function of MASH Explorer. MASH list and results view. The MASH list provides an intuitive display combining the theoretical ion distribution and the actual experimental data shown in results view. After deconvolution, the user can click on each entry in the MASH list and the spectrum will be zoomed into the location of the targeted ion. The red dots represent the theoretical ion distribution. Previously examined ions will have a light yellow background in the MASH list. The user can also zoom in and out of the selected fragment ion. Users can change the following properties of the ion distribution to achieve better theoretical fitting to the experimental data. Number 1. Adjust the charge state of the theoretical distribution. Number 2. Plus or minus 1 isotopic unit of the theoretical ion distribution. Number 3. Increase or decrease the signal intensities. Clicking Apply will save the new fragment ion information. The MASH list also allows users to rank the items in different orders, such as by monoisotopic mass, abundance, M/Z, charge, score, most abundant M/Z, or ion designation. The toolbar in the MASH list panel includes buttons such as Select All, Delete, Fit Score, and Copy. These buttons interact with the checked items in the MASH list. The Select All button will check all the boxes in the MASH list. If all the items are checked, clicking Select All will unselect all of them. The Delete button will delete all items that are checked. The Fit Score button will populate the score column in the MASH list. The score column describes the fitting between the experimental and theoretical isotopic distributions. The Copy button will copy all items that are checked. The copied content can be pasted in processing software such as Notepad and Microsoft Excel. Sequence table. Once the MASH list is verified by the users, the MASH list can be matched with theoretical fragment ions list generated by the user-imported sequence to show fragmentation mapping of proteins. The sequence can be imported by characterization, paste your sequence in the targeted mode, or the Modified Sequence button on the Sequence Table panel. In the Modifications section, users can perform several tasks. To add a modification, the user needs to click on a specific amino acid. There are preset modifications with mass changes such as phosphorylation, plus 79.96 Daltons, and methylation, plus 14.01 Daltons. Users can also choose Custom to provide a custom molecular weight change specific to your analysis. The modification can be removed by clicking Clear Selected Modification, and all the modifications can be removed by Clear All Modifications. In the Fragment Ion Types section, users can map the fragment ion in the MASH list to show the sequence in the sequence table by selecting fragment ion types and clicking Show Assignments. The lines between two amino acid codes suggest fragment ion detection. In the tolerance information section, the fragment ion mapping can be manipulated by different tolerance values in both ppm and Dalton units. Users can copy the image shown in sequence table and copy table image. The copied image can be pasted in either Photoshop or Microsoft PowerPoint for further processing. Ion Finder. The Ion Finder tool allows users to perform targeted search for fragment ions against a user-imported sequence. In the theoretical data of the sequence table panel, the monoisotopic mass of different ion types is calculated based on the sequence with modifications provided in the sequence table. Double-clicking a selected entry will open the Ion Finder tool for the specific fragment number. Users can select fragment ion type for their experiment by clicking at selected radio buttons. Users will also be able to choose to include or exclude selected modifications implemented in the sequence. Ion Finder tool allows users to navigate different charge state of the fragment ion to examine possible experimental fragment ions by zooming at targeted M/Z regions calculated based on the monoisotopic mass and charge state of the fragment ion. The spectrum will change accordingly with changes to parameters such as selected ion type, modifications, and charge state. Users can stay at zoom in the current spectral location by clicking Keep Zoom. If the users find a real ion, clicking Append to Mass List will add the ion information to the current mass list, including modification information, as a new entry at the bottom of the mass list. Data reporting. Data reporting includes save files and save images. These functions allow users to save the verified fragment ion list, enabling users to perform further processing of spectrum and sequence table images using other professional graphic software. Save files. Users can save their mass list and sequence table information in the XML format, which is associated with the raw data. The XML file is dependent to its original raw data. It is recommended that the users place the saved XML file in the same folder as the raw data. To reopen the saved data, go to File, Open Save Results. Since the XML file needs its raw data for reference, the users will be prompted to locate the raw data if the raw data is not found within the same folder. Save images. A spectrum displayed in the Results View panel and sequence information shown in Sequence Table panel can be exported as a Microsoft Office object. This function enables users to further edit the images, including changing the font size of the text, and line width, and color of the fragment symbols. The copied image can be transferred to Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Microsoft PowerPoint for further processing. Elements of the graph can be ungrouped for further modification. In Save Images, Copy Spectrum Image will copy the spectrum in the Results View panel. In Save Images, Copy Sequence Table will copy the spectrum in the Sequence Table panel. Thank you for your interest in our software, and I hope this short video series will help you use our software. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our team using the link in the description box below.